how to reset your First Republic Bank password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also forget your password for your First Republic Bank account, then here's what you need to do. So first thing, just head over to your republicbank.com from any of your browser and simply click on login button from the top right corner. And as you can see, I've already registered with my account, that is by providing my username as well as my password or login ID. And you can simply tap on this forget password button at the bottom of your screen if you ever forget your password. And if you are still having problem, then you can always click on this login assistance button, which we can find over here for my personal account. So if you are using business account, you can always go for the second option as well. So for this case, I'm using personal account, and when I click on this assistance, that is login assistance link over here, it should take me to this screen where they will be providing me a temporary password to a phone number associated with my account. So make sure you have always registered with your phone number and remember it correctly, and you just have to provide the information. Then they will be sending you a temporary password. And once you enter all of your details, make sure you remember your username as well. And if you ever forget your username, you can always tap on this forget username button over here and follow the other on-screen instructions. And for now, once you do all of these, just click on this send me a new password button over here, and they will be sending you a temporary password, and you can just log in with that, and you will be given the option to set a new password after you successfully log in. And once you do all of that, you can always log in with your newly created password right from over here, that is your login screen of the First Republic Bank account online. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.